Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at 4 strong buy crypto stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at 4 stocks related to the cryptocurrency industry, specifically Bitcoin, that come in with unanimous strong buy ratings from Wall Street analysts. Now cryptocurrencies have been setting new highs this past week. Bitcoin has gone over $72,500 in price as investors are getting excited about the speculated Bitcoin halving event that's anticipated to occur in mid-April, plus financial institutions have been embracing Bitcoin a lot more with some of their products. So with this momentum in crypto, these related companies are also seeing some upwards potential. We're going to take a look at these companies, how they're involved with crypto, and what analysts are predicting for the stock's future. You can check these stocks out over on TipRanks.com or by downloading the TipRanks mobile app as well. Links are in the description down below. Let's jump right into our 4 strong buy crypto stocks. First up is Riot Platforms. They trade under the ticker RIOT, currently priced just above $12 per share. You can see there's been some ups and downs this past year. Overall, they are up 92%, but are down 14% in the last 3 months. Riot Platforms operates on multiple facets of the crypto space. Their operations span Bitcoin self-mining, hosting data centers for miners, as well as manufacturing electrical components and immersion cooling tech equipment for mining. They claim to be one of the lowest cost Bitcoin miners in the industry. In fiscal 2023, Riot's Bitcoin production jumped 19% year over year. And they achieved a record hash rate capacity of 12.4 exahash per second. That was up 28% year over year. By the end of 2024, they're aiming to reach roughly 28 exahash per second. And in January and February this year, they've already produced 520 and 418 Bitcoins respectively. Riot Platforms currently has 8 analysts weighing in on the stock, coming in with unanimous buys. That strong buy rating comes with a price target of $20.25, which would imply an upside potential of 67% from current prices. Looking at our most recent ratings down below, we can see all of them in that double-digit upside. On the low end, we have an upside of 41%, and our high-end price target has an upside of 111%. The second company on our list today is IREN Energy. They trade under the ticker IREN, currently priced at $5.27 per share. You're going to start to notice some similar looking charts here with these peaks at certain points of the year surrounding different news regarding cryptocurrency. Overall, the past year, they've gained 99% and are up just 2% in the last 3 months. IREN Energy is an Australia-based Bitcoin mining company, but they're also exploring the industry of AI. They own and operate next-generation data centers powered by 100% renewable energy with a focus on areas with low cost and abundant renewable energy sources. On top of that, they also signed a cloud service agreement with AI startup Poolside AI back in February. They will allow Poolside to leverage 248 of their NVIDIA H100 GPUs to train their generative AI models. In February, they mined 310 Bitcoins and achieved a hash rate of 7 exahash per second. By the end of 2024, they aim to expand their hash rate to 20 exahash per second. On top of that, they also purchased an additional 568 of NVIDIA's H100 GPUs in February. Their stock is rated a buy with 6 current analyst ratings. And the average price target of $10.92 would imply an upside potential of 107% from current prices. Down below, you can see all of the buy ratings here, ranging from an upside of 52% on the low end to 252% upside here from Compass Point. Third on the list, we have Bitfarms. Trading under the ticker BITF, this stock is priced at $2.41 per share, so definitely a penny stock here, which can have some more volatility. And you can see down below, the stock has gained 193% over this past year and is cooling off recently, going down over 3% in the last 3 months. Bitfarms is a Canada-based, vertically integrated Bitcoin mining company, operating 11 farms across Canada, the US, Argentina, and Paraguay. They operate Bitcoin blockchain computing centers with in-house management, on-site repair, and maintenance, while running on low-cost energy with long-term contracts. 9 of Bitfarms' farms are powered by hydroelectricity. In their last quarterly report, they saw their hash rate rise 7% year over year to 6.5 exahash per second. By the end of 2024, they're targeting a hash rate of 21 exahash per second, driven by a new farm development in Paraguay and transformational fleet upgrades. Over January and February this year, they produced 357 and 300 Bitcoin respectively. Their stock comes in as a unanimous strong buy with 5 current analyst ratings. And a price target of $4.45 implies an upside potential of 85% for the next year. Looking down below, we have a lot of price targets right at that 65% mark. Our low-end price target has an upside of nearly 35%, and our high-end price target, once again from Compass Point, feeling very bullish on these companies, up 190%. And our fourth crypto stock today is Cipher Mining. They trade under the ticker CIFR and are priced at $3.29 per share. Over the past year, they're up 79% overall, and over the last 3 months have gained 40%. Cipher Mining is an industrial-scale Bitcoin mining company. They aim to expand and strengthen the Bitcoin network's critical infrastructure in the U.S. Cipher owns and operates 4 data centers across the United States. For the month of February, Cipher mined 334 Bitcoins and had a month-end hash rate of 7.4 exahash per second. They're on track to exceed a hash rate of 9.3 exahash per second by the end of Q3 fiscal 2024. Notably, by the end of fiscal 2025, they're targeting a hash rate of 25 exahash per second. With 4 current analyst ratings, Cipher Mining does come in as a unanimous strong buy. And the average price target of $5.88 would be a 79% upside potential from current prices. Looking at our recent ratings here down below, on the low end we have an upside of 37% and a high end, once again from Compass Point here, with an upside of 144%. So that is a quick look at 4 stocks, all related to the cryptocurrency industry, that come in with unanimous buy ratings from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and what other crypto-related stocks have you excited lately. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Keep in mind that these cheaper price stocks and related to crypto can be very volatile, so please make sure you always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just sharing what those Wall Street analysts are up to. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.